What do you do? Click that there, you think?
No.
Oh.
Take her up the hill, right?
Right.
Hold that on there. Set the blade in the ground and hold on. And get a bit faster and faster. And she'll hear banging on, she'll start.
And just pull the trigger.
Aye. And aye, you'll hear. Just put the blade in the ground. No, I don't hear. Faster, fuck, that's not fucking fast enough, Maggie.